What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the background from your artwork. The first thing you want to do is you want to go over to the layers and you want to hit the unlock button to free up that layer. After you hit the unlock button, you want to go up and hit select color range. Now you will have a drop down up top. Make sure that highlight is selected. By clicking highlights, now you have selected the white. Hit OK. Now you will see a blinking light, and that just means that the white is selected. Now just hit delete. Now your background is completely gone. Hit select and deselect. And simple as that, the white is out. And just to make sure that the white is out, what you can do is you can add another layer. Go over to your color and you can select any color. I'm selecting red. I'm gonna hit OK. I'm gonna go get my fill tool or the paint bucket tool, same thing. And I'm gonna hit fill, and I'm gonna bring that layer to the bottom. And as you see, no more white. The black is on its own layer, and I can hide that layer and you can see it just like that. That's just me ensuring that all the white is out of the artwork. And that's it, guys. I hope this video found you well, and make sure to like and subscribe, and there's more videos to come.